How to clear photo cache on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear photo cache on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines at the top corner. Click on it and go down, click this one, clear space. Now all you need to do is just select photo cache, select only photo cache and click clear. And as you see, just by one click, we clear the photo cache, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.